want to get that brown color. Again, cooking is never time. Cooking is a visual. Cooking is a texture change. Cooking is an internal temperature. It's never time. The other reason why I got you to use the 12-inch pan, and this is what I do with my recipes too. If I think you're going to succeed in the recipe by using a certain piece of equipment, I will tell you that. By using a 12-inch pan, I mean, you might be thinking, well, it's obvious, we got to put 8 chicken thighs in there. Well, yes, we do, but it goes more than that. You don't want to have the pan crowded. So you can see in this 12-inch pan, I got 8 chicken thighs, and they're pretty good size ones too. And the pan is not crowded. Anytime you're trying to brown meat, if you crowd the meat in there, it's not going to brown because heat applying to proteins coagulate. That means they firm up and they squish out juice. And then all the juice is going to gather in the pan if there's not enough surface area of the pan to evaporate away the liquid. So by using a 12-inch pan on medium-high heat, that is, you're going to have enough room beside each chicken thigh for the juice to come out and then evaporate, which will allow you browning. We've all been there, right? I've done it as a young adult trying to brown meat. It's just boiling in the pan. What am I doing wrong? And then I'm cranking up the heat more, but I'm not realizing that the pan is crowded full of meat and the juice can't go anywhere. It can't evaporate, and you're never going to get browning when there's a whole bunch of liquid in the pan. It's not going to happen. Just never will. So it's these just little things that are happening right in front of you that you need to understand. You need to know the science behind the logistics so that you can progress and be a better cook and not have little pitfalls like that in the kitchen. And that's all I call them, are little pitfalls, because that's all they are. But some people get so worked up and they get so upset. Oh, it's supposed to be doing that. Then they blame the recipe, or they blame whatever else. You blame your boss because you didn't have a good day today, whatever. And all it boils down to is you didn't have a big enough pan. So make sure you're cooking with a big enough pan for the job at hand. All right.